Here is the How to Trade video series, back to basics education for friends and family who are looking to learn how to trade.
Hey everyone, this is my channel to help investors and traders develop a probability-based mindset to succeed. Also try and keep friends informed of what's going on in the markets and the economy, and also a little real estate content as well.
This is Dan Max at East Realty, aka the Trading Agent, and this is my website for the Back to Basics education series for new and experienced traders. I get a lot of questions very often from friends, family, new traders, experienced traders. Hey, what are some great resources to start trading? Well, here it is. This is one of the sub-channels of my website. Obviously, here on the left, you got the home, real estate, and the trading blog. This is the page to learn. This link will take you to the playlist for this series, which is every single video. However, I only highlighted probably about the top 30 or 40 I think most people should watch. Here's the link to the Discord room, and here's a link to follow me on Twitter. Again, if you are newer to trading, one of the things that a lot of people lack is the education, where to start, how does the market work, just in general. And so one of the things that I tried to put forward is, categories of videos to watch from beginner to more advanced as you roll through this. And so my goals here is to just really bring people in that want to learn. Again, as I've always said, the student is ready, the teacher will appear. There's a lot to watch here. I understand that, but if you want to be the best at trading, you're going to have to put in the work. There's an understanding that 95% of traders will fail. And so most people say you can't time the market. The market's very difficult to understand what's going on. Once you learn, the market is meant to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people. You see there's reoccurring patterns, seasonality, all sorts of fun little knickknacks within the market that just reoccur, whether it's on the 10-minute, 5-minute, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly charts. It's all repeating patterns. So I hope this helps. I know a lot of people sit around all day watching the market. I'm telling you, educate yourself, please. I'd rather you watch these videos than to stare at the candles paint. Also be aware of the recommended reading. I would check out all 3 of these books. They're definitely necessary. And if you have any questions, please reach out. The best place to do such would be on Twitter, or maybe check the link in the description below. It'll give you some links to catch up with me. Or if you'd like to join the Discord room and hit me up with a private message, I don't mind. Just all I ask is that you look and search for the answers. The people who want the easy answers, the people who aren't willing to work, it's just you're not going to get to the top. I always tell people this. It's, you might get a basketball and think all of a sudden that you can go play in the NBA and beat the best players in the world. No, you have to have tools. You have to learn. You have to understand that you're going to have to, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. And so you're not going to get to where you want to be immediately. So I'm just trying to be honest with you, because I think a lot of people get into trading, think it's easy, you're going to make tons of money. Well, guess what? Like most of us, we get humbled at some point, realizing that the market in itself is a mechanism to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people. And if you get lucky starting off on trading, it's the absolute worst thing you can do, because people don't realize is that you're not good. You're just lucky. So, hate to sound negative or just try to discourage people from going on this journey. But the reality is, if you want to be great at something, you have to give it your all, and you have to be patient. You have to give yourself time to learn. You're a sponge. You're going to pick up things slowly, but you have to remember, through experience, you will grow. And so I hope this channel helps. And again, I always appreciate all the great feedback, the comments, the likes. Please subscribe if this helps. And, I love all the donations. It really helps, because I always tell people, if you value a free education and an abundant mindset, then, again, I never charge for this, but I appreciate the people that do donate, because it keeps me on top of who's really learning this, because I think people really figure out within time that the education they're getting is saving them hundreds, thousands, maybe tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars of future losses, because you are learning from experience. You're learning from my mistakes and my tuition bill, which was 7 figures. So I hope this helps over time. Again, up and down. You're not guaranteed to make huge money all the time. The market gives and takes away, so you have to be cognizant of it. And so define your risk, be smart, and please check out all these videos. I'm telling you, take notes. If you're watching these videos and you're not taking notes, you're not creating a journal, you're going to have to watch these videos 100 times to memorize them. So hope this helps. Please leave a comment below. Reach out if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys and gals later. Have a good night.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, stop by the Discord room. A link is in the description below. Also, if you'd like to help support more free content, the PayPal link is in the description as well. I appreciate your continued support of the channel.